Alright, looks like we're recording, Howard. Let's see if we can see this. So this is my AR Ruger. I'm hoping we can read that. 5.56. So this is just going to be a quick one. So we'll go ahead and throw this in here. I'm going to pause this a second because I forgot hearing protection. And I don't like shooting this without my hearing protection. Be right back. Okay. I'm back. I don't know how well this is going to work. So I put 3 rounds in. Two rounds in there. So we're just shooting into the ground, only because I don't have a target out, and it's the safest thing to do. So there's 2 bolts open. Close the bolt. Drop the magazine. Pull the bolt out. Let me run out and get the other one that's in the front seat. Sorry about that. So I'm back. There's the Cali bolt. Slide that in there like that. Open it back up. Come on. There that is. Slide it in. Bolts closed. We'll load up 3. Put 1 in the magazine. Put safety on. Like I said, it's the first time firing this. There's all 3 bolts open. We're ready to go. So that was just a quick video, and we'll do this real quick. I don't have much luck with it sitting flat. I'll have to turn it upside down. And she goes. Probably got a little bit too much oil in there, it looks like. Bolt's open, so pulled it out, switched it back and forth. So it works in my 5.56 Ruger AR. Pretty nice little deal, I think, Howard. So there you go. I'll send you the video.